Get rid of bare patches by sowing new grass seed. Scratch up the earth with a rake until it's crumbly and sow according to the packet instructions. Boost your lawn with fertiliser to make it look green and healthy. Mark out areas with string to make sure you use the right quantity. Water lawns if they are new or have been treated with fertiliser. Make the process simple by using a sprinkler attachment. Mow little and often to avoid the task becoming a chore. Lower the mowing blades as the season progresses. Use a spring-tine rake to remove moss from your lawn. Neaten up the overall look of your lawn by redefining the edges. Use a half-moon edging iron to cut the turf. There are two ways to get rid of weeds: by hand using a traditional daisy grubber or by using a chemical treatment. Plunge a fork into the ground all over your lawn. This improves drainage and generally helps grass to grow. If you fancy a change, consider reshaping your lawn entirely. Use a hose to design the outline.